Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Have you ever felt so stressed that you just wanted to drop everything and run away? Stress. It's the invisible burden that weighs on our minds, the unspoken storm that lurks beneath our smiles. In today's fast-paced world, stress and anxiety have become an unavoidable reality. But what if we told you that stress isn't your enemy? What if instead of fearing it, you could learn to master it? The key isn't to eliminate stress altogether, but to change the way we react to it. In this guide, we'll explore 10 scientifically proven techniques to help you regain control, cultivate inner peace, and turn stress into a catalyst for growth. If you're looking for a natural stress reliever, don't miss this video. Let's get started. The first method is deep breathing and meditation, the power of a single breath. Breathing is automatic, yet its power is often overlooked. When stress strikes, our breath becomes shallow, sending distress signals to the brain. Deep breathing techniques like the 4-7-8 method, inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, exhale for 8, act as a natural reset button, calming the nervous system in seconds. By slowing down our breath, we tell our body that we are safe. This activates the parasympathetic nervous system, reducing heart rate and lowering blood pressure. Over time, regular deep breathing can improve lung capacity, increase oxygen intake, and enhance overall mental clarity. Meanwhile, meditation teaches us to detach from the chaos of our thoughts. Picture stress as a passing cloud. You don't have to chase it. Simply observe and let it drift away. With consistent practice, meditation rewires the brain, increasing gray matter density in areas related to emotional regulation and self-awareness. Whether it's guided meditation, mindfulness, or transcendental meditation, dedicating even 5 to 10 minutes daily can create lasting positive changes in your mindset. Method 2. Regular physical exercise, the natural stress reliever. Ever felt an unexplainable sense of relief after a workout? That's endorphins at work, nature's antidepressants. Exercise, whether it's a brisk morning walk, an intense session, or dancing like nobody's watching, releases feel-good chemicals that combat stress. Beyond endorphins, physical activity also reduces levels of stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, while improving sleep quality and self-esteem. Regular movement strengthens the body's resilience to stress, making everyday challenges feel more manageable. Even a 10-minute stroll in nature can lower cortisol levels, improve mood, and enhance concentration. The next time you feel overwhelmed, don't stay stagnant, move. Your body and mind will thank you. Method 3. Healthy diet and hydration. You are what you eat. Your brain is a machine, and food is its fuel. Omega-3 rich foods like salmon, chia seeds, and walnuts enhance cognitive function and reduce inflammation, protecting against stress-related damage. Dark chocolate, rich in flavonoids and magnesium, has been scientifically proven to lower cortisol and increase serotonin levels. On the flip side, caffeine and sugar create an illusion of energy but can trigger anxiety crashes, leaving you feeling more drained than before. And hydration? Even mild dehydration can cause irritability, fatigue, and reduced concentration. Studies show that drinking enough water throughout the day helps regulate mood and improve stress response. For instant calm, swap coffee for green tea, which contains L-theanine, an amino acid known for its soothing properties. Method 4. Quality sleep habits. Recharge your mind. Lack of sleep fuels stress like gasoline on fire. Chronic sleep deprivation raises cortisol levels, leading to emotional instability, poor decision-making, and weakened immunity. To enhance sleep quality, create a bedtime ritual. Dim the lights an hour before bed to signal melatonin production. Avoid screens, phones, laptops, and TVs at least 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime, as blue light disrupts circadian rhythms. Engage in a calming activity, such as reading, light stretching, or listening to soothing music. Try chamomile tea or magnesium supplements, which promote relaxation and muscle recovery. Think of sleep as your personal reset button. The better you rest, the more resilient you become in facing life's challenges. Method 5. Journaling and expressing emotions. Write your worries away. Writing isn't just about recording thoughts. It's about releasing them. A simple nightly habit of jotting down 3 things you're grateful for rewires your brain towards positivity, reducing stress and improving emotional well-being. For deeper healing, a stress journal helps you process overwhelming emotions, identify recurring stressors, and develop constructive coping strategies. And if words aren't your thing, channel emotions through art, music, or poetry. Creative expression taps into the brain's reward system, turning stress into inspiration. Your mind is a garden. Clear out the weeds of negativity to let creativity and positivity flourish. Method 6. Social connections and support system. You're not alone. Loneliness amplifies stress, while connection soothes it. A heartfelt conversation with a friend, a tight hug, or even a simple text message can make a world of difference. Humans are wired for social interaction. Even if you prefer solitude, engaging with loved ones or joining a support group provides emotional grounding. Studies show that social support reduces the physiological impact of stress, lowering blood pressure and improving mental resilience. Asking for help isn't weakness, it's wisdom. Method 7. Limiting screen time and digital detox. Reclaim your mind. Endless scrolling through social media often does more harm than good. The constant influx of information overstimulates the brain, making stress worse. To reclaim mental peace, set phone-free zones, e.g., no phones during meals or before bed. Reduce notifications to limit distractions. Replace screen time with real-life activities, such as reading, nature walks, or engaging conversations. Try this experiment. Instead of checking your phone first thing in the morning, spend 5 minutes stretching, journaling, or meditating. Watch how your mental space transforms. Method 8. Practicing mindfulness and gratitude. The art of living in the moment. Stress thrives on past regrets and future worries. Mindfulness anchors you in the now. Savor the warmth of your morning coffee. Listen to the rustling leaves. Pay attention to your breath. And then gratitude, one of the most powerful mental shifts. Instead of focusing on what's missing, recognize what's present. Each day, list 3 things you're grateful for. Over time, you'll notice a profound transformation in your outlook on life. Method 9. Engaging in hobbies and creative activities. Joy as a stress buster. When was the last time you lost track of time doing something you love? Whether it's painting, baking, playing an instrument, or gardening, hobbies are a sanctuary from stress. They activate the brain's reward system, flooding it with dopamine, the happiness neurotransmitter. Prioritize activities that make your soul come alive. Your stress levels will naturally take a backseat. Method 10. Seeking professional help when needed. Strength in seeking support. There's no shame in needing guidance. Sometimes, stress becomes overwhelming, affecting daily life. Seeking professional help, especially therapies like cognitive behavioral therapy, provides practical tools to reframe negative thoughts. Mental health is just as vital as physical health. Prioritize it. Seek help when needed. Your well-being is worth it. And that's it. We've just explored 10 ways to manage stress. Which one worked best for you? Or do you have your own secret tip? Drop a comment below. Stress is part of life, but how you handle it makes all the difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. Next time, I'll reveal a 1-minute trick to relax instantly. Stay tuned. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.